Welcome to Electronic Creations. Today I'm gonna show you how to upgrade this 10-watt floodlight to 50-watt floodlight with this chip. In my intro video I was running 3 of these upgraded floodlights and in the depth of 4 meters, and they were running on the 30 meters of cable. I disassembled some parts of the camera, and the problem is they started to put glue in it. Unnecessary, just make you more problems. I'm not sure how I'm gonna pull this glass out, because there are traces of glue here. I have managed to pull this off somehow without breaking the glass, and there is some silicone residue everywhere, so unfortunately I will need to use silicone to seal this. Also, usually I was only using grease on these silicone seals and on this edge. When you order this floodlight, don't order RGB, because RGB is a plastic case. This is aluminium and it can transfer heat in water better. Let's do a little test before I change this chip. Let's measure how much lux do we have now. Okay, it's approximately 10 centimeters, and we have almost 1300 lux. 1300. We have a driver here. Okay. To fit this in, we're gonna trim these edges. Just make sure it sits flat on the surface. Yes. Okay. To fix this in, I'm gonna use this silicone plaster. make sure that you put it in and have this hole free to put the cables in. Don't press on this, you can damage the chip, and some small chips inside won't work anymore. And solder this cable just for test. Let's see what result will this chip have. Last one was 13,000. And this one is almost, yes, 20. It is a 50 watt chip, but if you see the voltage and amperage, it isn't. It's, but I don't know how they measure it. On the same settings, that 10 watt chip has more consumption than this one from 50 watt. And this casing is getting warm already. So what to say? It isn't 50 watt, but it's brighter. This is 30 meters of cable, and don't forget to put this on the shorter end so you don't need to pull it all 30 meters. And now I'm gonna solder this. First, let's prepare soldering wires. Okay. So let's see, this is positive. This is silicone glue. Okay. This is just for some kind of insulation if water gets in, but I have 3 of these running 3 months last summer, and they were okay. This glue is all dried out, and let's seal this properly. If your spotlight didn't came with this glued parts, just put it as it is. Just use some grease. If you also came with sealed parts, I recommend you do the same. I'm doing this also because my rubber gasket is broken. Where it is? Here. Seems solid. I really like using this silicone rubber sealant. This is white, and when it's dry, silicone is soft to touch, and it's a lot easier to remove than this one. This one is very hard to remove when it's completely dry. This is good for permanent seals, and this is good for electronic. Like you saw, I was putting this on the LED chip. If you want to support this channel, please like, subscribe, and consider using affiliate links down below. Thank you, and see you in the next one.